Everyone, warm welcome to all of you in this video. I am Aritra Ray. I made a 3D hanger using FreeCAD software for my DIY assignment 1. Here I am going to explain the details of this project. So let's get started. You can see the hanger on the screen. I made this in the XY plane. You can see that here. The length of this sketch from here to here is 45 millimeter. Through this circular hole, the nail is going to pass, on which the hanger is going to be supported. It is actually made of 4 concentric circles of radius 2, 4, 8 and 10 millimeters consecutively. Then I use the pocket option, you can see that here, to make the hole inside this 2 millimeter radius. At last, I used the fillet option to round the selected edges of the shape and to make it smooth. After that, from here, I exported the file and that STL file is generated. Now it is ready to open in the Cura software. So now I opened it in Cura software. Here I enlarged the x-axis up to 80 millimeter from 45 millimeter, and other dimensions also changed accordingly. Now on the right hand you can see the printing options. The quality layer height is 0.2 millimeter. Infill density I chose as 100%, and also you can see the printing temperature as 200 degrees centigrade and the print speed as 60 millimeter per second, and at last at adhesion type as beam. Now here, on clicking in this save to disk option, I can generate the G code and then it will be ready to print in 3D printer. Thank you.